Okay, first grade, so you should be looking for level 2, DIY 1. So if you haven't gotten this already, go ahead and go get it. Now, you should not have a marker like me. You should have a pencil. Make sure you're looking for level 2, DIY 1. In this activity, we are practicing using objects, which in this case are counters that have been drawn for us, to solve subtraction problems. Okay? They've already modeled part of one for you. So let's look at this equation. 8 minus 3 equals something. This first number, our greater number, is our start number. And you'll notice that they started out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second digit tells us how many we're going to take out. 3. Notice up here they've taken out 1, 2, 3. Now we need to determine the difference or the answer to the subtraction equation by counting what's left over. Oh, there's my alarm. Ignore that, first grade.
Hi there.
Let's count what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, I'm going to model showing you one on the back. Okay. Let's say that you needed to solve the problem 7 minus 4 equals something. Okay. The greater number is our start number, so we would be starting with 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That second digit tells us how many to mark out or take away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're ready to determine what's left over, the difference. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, I can't wait to see what you have to show us about using counters to solve subtraction problems. Remember, do not use a marker like me. I'm just using that for demonstration purposes. You need to have a pencil with an eraser. All right, first grade. Love you later. Bye.